Welcome to my channel, that's me. Today I am going to show you Mutton Pulao. It's also called as Mutton Biryani. For this we need 1 kilo of mutton. For this 1 kilo mutton I am taking 1 kilo rice which I have soaked 1 hour before. For this we need coconut milk, salt, red chili powder, green chili, bay leaves, cinnamon, clove and some other biryani masalas, whichever you prefer, and tomatoes, onion, kaju, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, mint leaves and coriander leaves. For this, first we have to take the mutton. Into this mutton, so we have washed the mutton with turmeric powder, that's the reason it's looking in this color. For this we need to add all the spices like first I am adding chili powder. For this I am adding 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, two tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and we have to mix this well. I'll use my hand for this. Once this mixing is done, I am putting it in a pressure cooker. And we need to add a little bit of water into it. Little bit of water. Again after adding water and mixing it. Yes. I'm keeping the pressure cooker. Closing this pressure cooker, and we need to get 7 whistles. Switching on the stove. Once after keeping this cooker, we need the bowl like this to make the biryani. Once this pan gets heat, I'm adding oil. For 1 kilo rice and 1 kilo mutton, I'm adding 6 spoons of oil, like a big spoon. Let the oil heat up. In this meal time, we have to get 7 whistles in this pressure cooker for this mutton. Once it is getting heat, I am adding this bay leaves, cinnamon and all the biryani, cinnamon, cloves and ilachi and all the biryani stuff. It's your option, you can add more lavangam butter also. Now I am adding all this onions. To this I have to add green chili. Adding green chili also. Should fry. have to fry the onions till it gets a brown color. That will give good taste to biryani. Now I'm adding a little bit of salt into this. If we add salt into all this, it will fry. And I'm adding pudina also in this. Adding half a pudina and a little bit of coriander leaves. Completely different way of preparing biryani. It will take time, and in this we are adding coconut milk. Coconut milk will give lot of taste to biryani. Yeah. For this, so I have taken 4 glasses of rice for 1 kg, like 1 kilo of rice for 1 kilo of mutton. I have already measured my rice, and according to that we have to take, if it is 4 glasses of rice, we have to take 7 glasses of water. 7 glasses. In that 7 glasses, almost like 1.5 glass, I am taking coconut milk, and apart from 1.5 glass, we have to take 5.5 glass of water. It makes total 7. Meanwhile, I'll tell you how I prepare coconut milk. For this coconut milk, I have taken half a coconut and I have put some little boiled water. I have grind it and I have added some more water. This onion is almost fried. Now I am adding ginger garlic paste to this. We have to add the ginger garlic paste. I'm adding, for 1 kilo, I am adding almost 2 big spoons of ginger garlic paste. When we add the ginger garlic paste, we have to keep the stove on sim. This is a silver bowl and it will stick to this. Let it fry for a few minutes till it leaves this raw flavor. Now it is fried and I am adding tomatoes into this. I am adding 2 cups of tomatoes. Because I have not taken any curd here, that's the reason I have taken 2 cups of tomatoes. Let it fry for 2-3 minutes till the tomatoes get cooked. It will take a lot of time, but one thing we have to remember is we have to cook all this masala in low flame. If we cook it in high flame, we will not get that taste. We should cook in low flame. This is done. When the oil is coming out, it's almost done. As I said that I have taken 4 cups of rice. For this 4 cups of rice, I am taking 7 cups of water. And rice I have soaked 1 hour before. In this 7 cups of water, I am taking 1.5 cup of coconut milk. I'll show you the measurement glass. This is my measurement glass which I have measured the rice with this. So I'm adding 1.5 cup of coconut milk. One, 1.5 cup of coconut milk, and remaining 5.5 cups. I'm adding water. Now, so I have added 5.5 cups of water. Into this I am adding a little bit of salt. We have to be little careful while adding salt because we have already added this salt into this mutton while we are cooking, and already we have added the salt when we are frying the onion. So I am adding little bit. Yeah, it's enough. I'm sorry, I forgot to add this garam masala before adding the water, but we can add now also. I'm adding half a spoon of garam masala. This should boil well. We should get a boil. I'm closing the lid now. I'm closing this lid. Now it's time to see. Yeah, this is boiled. It's time to add the rice. Rice into this. I have taken 1 kilo of rice, which I have told you that I have already soaked. I'm adding all this rice. Once after adding, we'll give it a mix and we'll close the lid. Now it's time to add mutton. When the rice is almost cooked, we have to add mutton. In this process, we can add mutton while adding tomatoes also, but the thing is, mutton is little hard and we have to cook it for some time. If not, we cannot eat. So I'm adding this mutton into this. As I told you that it's a different way of preparing biryani. If mutton is not cooked well, the biryani will not be nice. That's the reason I have cooked mutton in a pressure cooker, have given it a mix, and I have to close the lid. We should keep the flame in sim and leave it for a while. After adding this mutton, after some time, I am adding the ghee. Adding 2 tablespoons. And closing the lid for a few minutes. We have to keep the flame in medium. Now it's time to add kaju. Yeah, it's done. I'm adding this into this. mutton biryani is ready. It's time to serve. We'll serve it into a serving bowl. Tasty mutton biryani is ready. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel. That's me. Yummy and tasty mutton biryani is ready.